person presumably as white, female, 11 years old, date of birth January 26th, 2002, height 4 feet 8 inches, weighed 110 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, wearing black pants, black t-shirt with lettering, multicolor shoes. Police are looking for Robert Lee Garcia, also known as Librangulano, white, male, 22 years old, date of birth October 4th, 1990, height 5 feet 6 inches, weighed 118 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. He has a tattoo of a pentagram with a goat head on his chest, the letters L, M, G, tattooed on abdomen, and a tattoo of a skull on his left shoulder. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, contact the Harlingen Police Department at 956-202-9039. News media point of contact is Harlingen Police Department at 956-216-5940. The current time is 11:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time.